him. You see how stupid we are? We see something like this on the app, and we don't hold the mother accountable. You know what we do? We award the mom for it. We send her gifts. You see the difference? We send her gifts for being a bad mom.
And that's galvanizing into like feeling like.
Zoe soon reach 16, so Zoe just hold on pan the little way you have. You soon reach 16, soon reach 16, because me I tell you, say, you're just like your mom, you're your mother's daughter. You are your mother's daughter. Not justice for Zoe over your son, none. I never grape she get. Not justice for Zoe, none. Your mother another program here, you do justice for Zoe. Not this program. And you come out, you know. And before Annie tackles Zoe and says, Zoe, what you really did that though? If you have to bring everything upon life, why not reprimand your daughter upon life? Why not ask your daughter if I saw you grow her? Because you know, say that's exactly how you grow her. You know you do? You come out and I blame the brother. Or you blame the brother, but the brother have art against you. Eh? Or the son for have art against you. The son that have feelings to him not shame too. Him not shame. You make it at your point of duty that Jagger can box down Zoe, you know? Because if she have a brother will really stand up for her, you get what me I say? She wouldn't do a shadow. Enough of we grow with big brothers and big sisters that we can't do certain things. With them days they gone.
They're beyond eons ago.
You know, tell your brother see what I do. Hey girl, make me come see what I do. You know you can't do certain things make your brother say. You can't even stand up with one boy and make your brother say, I don't know play marble. You can't even stand up with him. Jagger, let me say this. We all can sit here and blame Jagger. You understand me? We all can do that and blame Jagger. However, remember that Lammy cannot talk to Chantal. Remember, Lammy can't talk to Chantal, you know? You get what me I say? Lammy cannot talk to Chantal. What does that tell you? So we don't want to say Jagger careless. So him have to be careless. He gotta be careless. I bet nobody can touch Jagger picnic. I bet Jagger can't now grow and picnic like how him see him sisters them grow. We never wonder why Anna run with Red Hands and don't make Red Hands come on him sister them like that. Eh? You ever wonder why? Because you that hear tomorrow morning say Red Hands and them do something. True or false? It could have been Red Hands name we are called now, not like the 18-year-old guy or the 30-year-old guy or the 20-year-old guy. It would be Jagger name we are called. It would be Red Hands name we are called. You ever wonder why? But when you sit down on the app and go like, you not smart, you don't know nothing. You don't know where you're going. And everybody want to jump up. That's why I say TikTok talk is different from courthouse talk. When you can sit down on TikTok and justify all sort of case. But it's when it comes to courthouse, don't believe so the judges, them are going to say, you know, oh, we saw it on TikTok and it's true. Don't believe that the judges, them are going to say, girl, we see it on TikTok and the guy must be held accountable. Them are going to ask, what about you as a mother? The first thing them are going to tackle, you as a parent. Them are going to hold you accountable. Where were you? What were you doing? Were you privy to such relationship? Or friendship? Have you ever seen the guy before? Oh, he came to your door. When he came to your door, what did you do? You understand me? How did your daughter went off somewhere with him? Because obviously, it's not in Annie's house it took place. So how the little girl get permission at 15-year-old for go with man? Where have you been? Annie did fly out? Just a ask.
Still not an excuse.
Exactly, because every video we will say, you do, Zoe is beside you. So when did she get the chance to go away? And it looked like all night the video though. It looked like I did all night. I never not there. It looked like a night. Oh yeah. My vision.
You didn't. A lawyer mentioned it on her live, and I was like, wow. As a grown person, I never knew that. Cause she like in the
Yeah. So the little girl finger the boy till him come.
yeah.
Because him could come. Zoe a band porn star. Eh? Zoe a band porn star.
Oh shit.
You not believe me? Zoe a band porn star. Oh, Zoe make post about she have to feed the boy till one boy till him come. And then honestly, you start try justify Zoe about justice for Zoe. Zoe know what she had done. I tell her say as Zoe reach the age of consent, she go text Maddie man. Me now ask her as she reach the age of consent. They say every woman will support Zoe in this. But when Zoe go get the chance, Zoe take the whole of her man. Me now ask her no. Yeah. Me nah ask her no. She have a finger that a guy in him bottom till him come. Yeah. Me nah ask her no, my love. Me nah ask her no. This is nastiness. This is nastiness. And you're not picking them nasty. And no need for all Annie accountable. Number one, this is not about Zoe and the guy. This is all about Annie. And when you really sit down on live a gift Annie. Hmm? When you really sit down on live a gift Annie. For what? And that me I try find out. Why? Why una give Annie? Eh? And now when Zoe a 15, after Zoe did born with Iman. Eh? When you really sit down on live a give Annie for a nasty situation. Me tell you this every day, be careful what you're tied into. Because you see when you put your money towards negativity, negative shall reach you in Jesus' name. Negative shall reach you in Jesus' name. Me now ask you. Hopefully she will send Zoe back to school. You know, say Zoe are going to adulthood, Zoe can learn now. Unless you take a divine intervention. Eh? Anytime you're so into, you see, the scripture can't lie now. The love of money is the root of all evil. The love of money is the root of all evil. Number one, Zoe knew that she was going to grind. You know what Zoe did? Bet you couldn't tell me. Zoe shave her front. Enough of a woman now realize that. Zoe is so conscious enough as a 15-year-old girl to know, say, don't shave your arm, shave your pum-pum, because at this of the man I go, all of we girl who I go grind a boy, we shave the front. And none of us see that as females. None of us. That are the first thing you know, say, this girl is a grown little girl. She is a grown adult. She is a big woman in a 15-year-old age. Yeah, exactly. Thank you very much. I will send me that bullet way book. It's all about thank you, my baby. She is a good. All of una woman sit down and talk about justice and justice. And none of una say when we are gonna look for our man, we clean up every year off our crutches. Cause some boy not like ear, you know. And you can't make some boys say your crutches bushy, you know. Cause then we turn up and come back up. No man who send me this. No man, what is? Oh, this is not John shop. Thank you. Zola, thank you, my baby. Yeah. It's rude. It's rude. She knows. She knows exactly what to do. She can't. Zoe not shave her arm, but Zoe shave her all. She shave her front fully monk. Me not ask you, her front fully monk. Yeah, and I'll use the body brush her tongue. Why she not go buy a tongue scraper, Zola? Why she not go buy a tongue scraper? This is slapness. This make good parents look bad. I lie?
No.
This make good parents look bad because when you talk a particular way, others say, me and mother, you know, and you them attack, but you're not looking at the reality of it. You're not careless. Do not take offense to it.
Exactly.
Because you're not careless.
Exactly.
Make it stay for careless people. When you say careless
mother just look for a little girl from 11, 10.
Oh, you mean? Oh, you mean a 9-year-old has a period, you know? So you have to take charge of your daughter. You have to sit with your daughter and talk to your daughter. Say, come here. The whole of we broke and the whole of we poor. You understand me? Me now go tell you, say you now go one man and you might take man behind my back. But me tell you something, like a girl. Any day me find out. You understand me? You have to put some measures in place. The little girl went and shaved her crotches, you know. Good, the little girl went and shaved her crotches. You can imagine that?
Yeah.
For me, see your 15-year-old daughter shave pum pum and lie ya tell. Wear ear till you blister. Wear ear till you reach the age. You are go wear ear. I will buy you a ball roll on if don't get so green. I will buy you one of the ball roll on when you're feeling fresh. If don't get so green, you go wear ear. You're a child.
Exactly.
Me now ask if I'm not your infection, you go wear it. So you go know for wash your front and shampoo the ear them by your crotches. Allow me to tell?
No.
Shampoo the ear them by your crotches.
Who are grown these people?
A pair big woman who have a drop out of all. A pair big woman who have a drop out of all. It's just the truth. She go wear ear. I will buy her a feeling fresh. You see what this? This a weight name there. Weight name the spray tan. Yeah, tan. You go wear it. You go wear it anywhere the shampoo for come from. Yeah, we need the shampoo. We need, you see all this mosquito? You go wear it by your crotches. Me no know how una appear big woman una grow. Una look help with una crotches. Una look somebody for help with una crotches. Nobody do want any. Who want any? Nobody do want any. Yes, you have to go comb it, shiny bump it, cane over it. Yes, you have to go do something to it. It's true. My born in one community, you know. We want little girl, you know. About 2 fingers them in her pokey. On the sidewalk. She just suck her finger and her finger herself.
Really?
I mean, I will tell you how that little girl grow. Basically, every boy in your community know her crutches. Me not ask you. I tell you. No, it's true.
Crazy.
And it's just the truth.
But they don't understand the levels of pedophilia you always speak about on your life. It's real. Women or even animals now being, you know, women, kids, like, so it's, as a woman, if you have a child, like, come on, like, be more responsible, be more present, be more aware, be more realistic.
The only way Annie real to our kids and in our children them life
with your kids.
And be real is when them a share man.
Crazy.
Is when them a share man. I'm surprised to see a lot of you females sit down and supporting this.
I'm surprised too.
I am very much surprised. It's appalling, for real. I am very much surprised. And them all give Annie for such a behavior. You can imagine the sacrifice. Eh? Some people sell them picnic, you know.
Shebada, I realized not so long ago, money is energy. And when you mentioned in real life, and even prior to that, I realized it because I had, you know, lent some money to someone, and it's like, money is energy. You have to be careful. And like you say, you tighten into people, you have to be very mindful.
You have to be careful.
And it's nothing wrong if you come on the app and you want to support, but it's better to, you know, be a while and observe.
Please, the counter.
You know, watch and observe certain persons, you know.
Behavior,
watch and observe.
You have to watch them
money
energy.
Is truly energy.
Right.
I never knew that. And
you never know?
I never knew that until like maybe a year or two ago.
Girl, you have to know people's NRG.
Energy is real.
You will go broke if you send your money to some people. You will go broke.
Absolutely.
And when we see Annie sit down and Annie and Annie not afraid to be ugly to collect a coin.
Yep. And they're desperate and hungry.
Why Annie ugly doing? she a ball and a look how much gifts are coming. And Zoe don't gonna know CDA. It's not the first we hear say Zoe gonna CDA. Remember when she come and say Zoe run me one at a time.
I thought.
Yeah, it's true. It's you see when you alright, look at the screen recordings out there. Look at the screen recordings out there now and tell me the amount of people them were talk about Zoe can overcome and Zoe can grow. Let me just bust on the bubble a bit. You see, even when you're 40, you still remember when you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Absolutely.
You still remember your young days. You see, when you're 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, you're still in tune to your long time before time attitude. You understand what I say?
That's when most of the reflection comes.
Exactly. You have to have a motive not to go back to the place that you were.
Exactly.
You never know
Yeah.
how much of them have a motive. Thank you very much, my baby.
That's when most of the reflection comes.
Thank you, Zola. How much of them have a motive not to be? Annie has been through many, and this is why my statement is factual. Annie claimed, and these are her words, she claimed that she was essay, she was grape, she was farm work, she was everybody, even to family she was. And you, no stop squeeze up your eye. And she was all of these things. Now, how could you be all of these things and you don't see a pattern? You don't see something up for your children. You don't see a pattern. And you can't come confess and say, oh man, but me don't stop one thing because me got you, I love you.
And the fact of it, it's like, okay, despite that might happen, but it's your intention to make a change.
Good.
You understand?
Good.
So, and they act like watching these Jamaican ladies, it's like a lot of people went through trauma. It's no excuse. But I don't understand like the people who like continuously behind those like supporting it. It's like, come on, like
you know, say you don't hear this about
trauma.
You know, hear this about Antiguans. Not saying that it's not happening, but you don't hear it like this.
No, because
they're not so brave to come out and play sympathy on their mistakes.
Correct.
You understand me? Wait, gone. Why is it that Jamaicans alone exercise pure nastiness?
Yeah, and it's like people are have y'all.
And his only intention is to obtain a spirit license.
A what?
Spirit license for the bar, the boat bar. It's true. It's true. And in a business about her picking them and you glad to she have a picking, but you think me would have sell my kids? Indirectly you sold them. Because if you know you come from a trad like that and you allow them to trad the same part where you trad, what is that you're doing, Annie? It never played well for you, so you believe that it would play it well for your kids. You are big, stink, nasty, dirty and careless. You are a big, stinking, dirty, careless woman. Me nah ask you. If me by Zoe book them yet, TikTok line me did a while ago, but you never dare come up. If me by Zoe, I'm so come off my baby. If me by Zoe book them yet, If me by Zoe book them yet, Zoe now go school. Me want buy Zoe about half dozen dildo. And that me want buy Zoe. I would never buy Zoe one book, half dozen dildo, and whole heap of contraceptives. Me not run them joke there. Me no idiot. Me tell you say gone are the days when parents used to open girl picnic crutches and season it. Gone are the days. You think a joke?
I remember when my aunt and those, they looked at our crutches, like as you would say.
Alright.
Like,
you know you have parents. May I tell you something? You know you have parents and them buy your pad gear. Them know when your period come. Also them can know when your cycle change.
But should be the thing with me is when I grew up with my peoples, I looked. And so even before I got my period, I was like expecting it because I was like, okay, and I was like putting on things, practicing it.
Exactly.
So it's all about, your upbringing.
Yeah, your upbringing.
And it's not always perfect. However, this time now, and like for these persons who want here, like getting, support from people, like you're not even trying to change, but like you say, you blame the supporters. And they're gonna see.
Are the supporters the truth?
Because there's no way.
Let me say this.
Because you have had to have like some.
You don't have to be the best mom.
Life experience,
because nobody's asking you to be the best.
You don't even have to be a mom.
You don't. That we just have to say, because you don't have to be a mother still. But let me say this:
I'm a dog mom, proud dog mom.
You don't have to be the best mom, But you see the effort in which way you put out for your kids shows a lot.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
You didn't know that? You don't have to be the best mom. Nobody now asks you to be mother of the year. All them ask you to do is just take charge of what you have.
And that's what I want to see. That's it.
You can't blame the ghetto either.
No, it's not the ghetto. The ghetto has nothing to do with it. It's just that when you come from the ghetto, you decide to be the gully or the gutter water. Pick your choice.
The ghetto has nothing to do with it.
It's either you're going to be three things. The gully, the gutter water, or the zinc fence. It's not about the place where you come from. It's not about that.
Correct.
You have to try with your picnic. We're going in the pool. Come soon, come off of this, Because we soon want to have some together time.
Yeah, look at me seeing a shower cap though.
Yeah, look for shower cap. Alright, then go.
I'm bringing no.
So it's not about where you're from. Never you try to be a product of where you're from.
Absolutely.
You're supposed to try to elevate from where you're at. You never know. If your mother own a business which is singular, you go up and try to own more than one business. And like me, I tell you, more than one business is try to go up and own that. If your mother never own a business yet, you try to be better than your mother.
Just try to be better.
Yeah, because of your mother teach you.
Even if it's in character as an individual, your morals,
That's what she's trying to do. Oh, yes, it's true. She's trying to make Zoe be better than her because from you see Zoe like her jawbone them on the body, Annie has never done that. And it's so good like she just a taste it.
Oh my God.
But Zoe lucky,
Wow. Just kind of them lock up.
Oh, you mean? Look a girl lucky.
I'm glad I don't see those things on there.
Never mind, I will show you.
No, you won't. I won't see.
Yeah.
I won't look at it.
Me just want to make your prep so one eye like when Anya ball so. Look now?
Nah.
Like a pirate, just one eye your vision.
Annie, all me I say to you is don't take the money where the people them are going to give and buy no more bleaching cream because you're not cold. Leave that alone, please.
And that Anya do. And that Anya do. But you see how stupid we are? Time to go swim. You see how stupid we are? We see something like this on the app and we don't hold the mother accountable. You know what we do? We award the mom for it. We send her gifts. You see the difference? We send her gifts for being a bad mom.
And that's galvanizing into like feeling like, oh, what I'm doing is good.
It's okay.
It's okay. Like people, like you're rewarding people for bad behavior, and that's not cool. And especially grown adults.
It's okay, Nicoline. It's okay.
With kids and shit like that. That's
when did we reach a part where we award persons, especially parents, for being bad moms, but yet still we talk about deadbeat dads?
Yeah.
You see that we're not gonna say man no body now, man no this and man no neglect them picnic,
Right.
Man no the quickest thing for running with a child. You understand me? But how bad can it be that a mother who has a child and allow the child to walk through a nasty footprints?
Really?
How bad is that? And then we the internet turn on people and gift the mother for being a bad mom. When?
So they have stuff like that.
The bar set extremely low, sea breeze, extremely low. And you see for parents out there who have them picnic and try to be a better mom, really feel bad when people come on the app and class kids like these and parents like these. You understand me? Because all them are live under this umbrella that she's a mother because I'm a mother too, so let me share some sympathy because I'm a mother too. Yeah, let me tell you something. Me a mother, but me not careless. If somebody come up and talk about careless parents, me not feel bad because me know who I am towards my kids. So how can you feel bad and support something like this? Tell me the truth.
Yeah.
Wrong and wrong, and then Annie not have the and you know have the decency to come up and take some form of accountability that people over and over this happened to me and I'm really allowed this to happen to my daughter. I'm going to punish her for it. I'm going to punish the young man, but I am going to take accountability for saying that and my fault why all of this happened.
Say that word there again.
Me I take accountability.
Say that word there again.
I'm gonna take accountability.
Say it again.
Accountability.
Oh, okay.
Drill Sergeant. Yeah. It's true. So this just shows me that how Annie and Zoe communicate off camera. That means that Zoe skin up her face and back answer Annie. Show her falls through. Yeah. But anyways, yes, so I leave on tonight because I don't know me have visitors and guests and beating really rampant for me. You know? You know, but me love you.
Parents do better.
Yeah, parents.
Mothers especially do better.
Thank you. Thank you.
Do better. We're not perfect human beings, but
no one is perfect.
We know the ropes. We know
let me tell you this.
When we can do better, okay?
Let me tell you this. You have parents, you have parents out there, you have mothers out there who are single mothers. You understand me? And them have to work to ensure say them daughter get everything what them want. You understand what I say? And you know what? Those parents who did this now, you see parents like Annie make them look bad. Allow me to tell you, you have single mothers who ensure say them daughter alright, them daughter under them wings. So if them daughter do anything, they can't blame the parents because imagine me sit down and reason with you say me I make life better for you. And this is what you do to me. This is what you do to me. You understand? Me can't go out for them parents there. Me know them parents there because no man not their own, no family not their own. You understand me? Nothing like this not their own. But it's when you have parents like Annie who walk and suckle in front of her picnic them, where you expect her picnic them to see body as soda.
And even if they don't know no better, like my God, like these persons or even females supporting them on the life, like at some point they have to tell them like, hey, and they should be able to embrace the positive feedback or whatever. It's,
a liar
it's
tell.
Like it's not
a liar tell. If you ever talk to some of them mother,
like,
if you ever talk to some of these mothers, it's true. If you ever talk to some of them sea breeze, them classy nastiness. Number one, when we did tell Rosalie about Shanta, you know, Rosalie said many times over and over, me not have no picnic, so me don't know what it feels like to be a mother. That's what she said. And so you know, all of them have a justification.
No, but another time first justification, you know, I'm not picnic, so you know.
Yeah, it's true.
At
the first one, you don't have any, so you don't know. And that's the first thing. You don't need to be a mother to know how to grow a child. Because even somebody outside who never have no picnic yet, sometimes them pass and say, Jesus Christ.
She need to have none.
She don't need the woman out there we can't breed, you know. You know, say good persons out there, good females out there we can be better mother, you know. And them can't breed, you know. And you have these careless one where walk and dash with them egg, hatch them egg and broke them egg, scramble them egg and fry them egg.
But Chippy, you know what I think it comes down to be honest, like I've never realized like in the Jamaican diaspora, like I love Jamaican, like I've, you know, obviously, you know, I think it's the poverty mindset, the lack, the scarcity, and it's no accepting or like taking in like, okay, even with the money, as you say, sometimes with persons, for example, Rose, like, no matter what amount of money she gets, there's no change happening.
Never.
And I had big hopes in her. I did. Honestly, I had big hopes in her. And honestly, I did. However, it's I think it's just that scarcity mindset thing, because
they're not willing to change from their mind.
Yeah, it's the mindset.
Yeah, dirty people.
You know, not for the ghetto.
Yeah, not
for the your mama. You know, for the your papa.
Right.
Dirty
people.
And let me tell you something.
I take your word, my dear.
A whole heap of picnic from the inner city got immaculate. A whole heap of picnic from the inner city pass and got champion. You understand me? I whole heap of picnic from the inner city go Arden, got these nice prominent high school. A whole heap of time in the inner city, I see some beautiful young ladies I walk so.
Wow, they not come a road to them mention
they not come a road. And it's a mother alone them live with. A mother.
Correct.
It's a mother alone them live with. But she was a mother. She's a mother. So she make her little girl know say, let me tell you this, do what you want, accomplish what you want, and when you do that, you can go on your own. You have parents, you know, who knows them 15-year-old breeding and say, me not send you back to school, find your man you go live with, and the little girl have to come out and go live with the man. I've seen it done before. Because you want to be a grown adult, go be a grown adult. And you know, say in life, that same child go further back themselves. Sometimes we enable kids too much as adults.
Enable.
And that's a society to the best.
Yeah. But I think so too, like with this TikTok thing, everything is becoming so freely and it's like you don't have to you know push. You don't have to have that grit. Like there's no like true
middle life,
you know. So
somebody asks what is maternal instinct.
They're not trying.
Somebody asks what is maternal instinct. I don't know. Because them people are just a breed and a pick me and know say, my fertile. That's it. My fertile. Nothing more, my fertile.
Some bestie, but some women, you know, think some females think that once a man breed them, I don't know if I them confidence level, because I don't want to use confidence. But some females think once a man breed, a man want me.
Yeah, no, not a man breed them. Some females believe from them breed for a boy. Him want her. Him want her. And the man got genuinely never ready for a child.
No.
Yeah. Hey, I had my real last relationship back.
Yeah.
He told me point blank period because I foresee it as okay. He was such a beautiful guy. This is who I want to have my child with, marriage and everything. He told me point blank, I don't want any kids. Anyways,
see? Come right back to this is who I want to have my child with. Like, okay, so are you really the woman then breed for the man and then turn on and fool themselves about the man want them?
Because a lot of times the men, they do be like adamant about their position of especially kids. Like give it time. Don't rush it because then you're going to end up being a single mother.
Somebody said, well, I pick them have 20 different fathers. Oh, God. And it's just the truth. No, it's true.
Hey, play that song, Desmond. It's Friday, baby.
We'll play it.
I want to hear it.
No, it's true. You cannot do that. You cannot do that. But anyways, people, I love you now and I just may leave you. Tomorrow we'll pick up this because Annie not done ball yet. Tomorrow we'll pick up this and then Annie have an address all Rosalie. Oh, you find time for address Rosalie when your picnic get caught on camera. Who cares what people out the road want to say?
Or the CDA crew though.
Yeah, man. I must the CDA crew. Me not understand. Oh, you get time for address Rosalie. Eh? But if I did Shanta, my son have been lenient with Shanta. I wanna can't get so with the same grace. Shantana bum off no cocky.
Oh, that's what you said?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Shantana, them said the CDA crew, me love on the later. Big up on the nice clean self, on the two out the other. Be good. You understand me? Remember to live, laugh and love and put that before everything and everyone.
Oh,
Pool time now. Pool time. See pool, yeah?
Oh my God.
See pool, yeah, people.
Oh man.
Yeah. Yeah, see there. So me and nurse going in the pool tonight. And this is our outside. This is our outside. The light is not on. We didn't plug in the light. We didn't plug in the light tonight. Hold on there. I'm gonna plug in the light and show you. Hold on there. Jesus, I can't find the hole. Me no good pan hole in that, so I turn back ways. No man. Hold on the people. Oh. Okay. This is our outside stove.
know, get yourself a piece of work over there.
This is our outside stove. This is our this is our barbecue grill. You understand? Yeah, the sink where we wash up our face and stuff.
What?
This is our fridge. Yeah, I don't want to show them my bedroom. Me and my people's bedroom. Yeah, 2 little something in the fridge. Yeah, the pot you can't open. Caca. Big and empty. So we're gonna fold it up tomorrow. So, oh yeah, girl, you got that right. You got that right. So this is where Nurse and Diane, my people, is going to lie down while I get my body splash and rub. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? This is where. Look at this. Seats for days.
Alright, my friend, come on.
You will want to go in the pool here, you know, put on your nasty clothes there. Go put on your little clothes and come.
I saw you go?
Same way me I dive.
No, but me no want me ear wait up me.
Oh, yeah, go for your cap. So people, look at my friend, Nurse Whore.
Good night, people.
Yes, see a room for me. Yes. Me no used to my auntie I move around, so you know. Now man, I can't show you yes because of my man rent. You know?
People, a man in here no come back tomorrow for the attack clubs here. Tomorrow, when come back tomorrow morning.
Yeah, love on.
Yeah.
Later.